Yawan jika bam yang plang festival kaban long ha ka atusan risau ha umsau man klenti shoban poi tersan bela penya da ka senjuk mau plang.
Ka International Olympic Committee ha ka Jingïalehkai ka basispa saupoi lane ka 141 Olympic session ka bala penlong ha Mumbai ka tanah ka khatsan tarik risau arja arpulai bat ka ban kot pat ha ka khatnyau tarik risau arja arpulai kala ai ka jing menjur ban penrung no e ka Jingïalehkai cricket bat squash ha ka Olympic Games ka ban long house nam arja arpupra ha Los Angeles United States of America. Kawei Jingïalehkai ki bela yok jing menjur ki kan top ru ya ka baseball, softball, lacrosse, bat ka flag football ha ka Olympic house nam arja pupra kata hadian ka jing don ka jing pen bek ha ka Jingïalehkai ka balong mentak ski. Kumba pauling ba ki nong lum kubor ka jing tap vote ka khlam wan na borok ki dekhot namar arngot ki dekhot ki khlam tre ban priang ya ka jing terwa. Ka jing yok ban penrung ya ka cricket ka dei na ka jing sha jong IOC rules ha ka nong ba ka ba yok ban priang ban penlong Jingïalehkai Olympic session kala ban terwa ya ki Jingïalehkai sports ban kuntop ha ka Olympic Games. La terwa ban don da ka T20 format bat ban don ru tang hendre kun hon kuntop ya ki kan thai bat senrang. Kumban supentip ka cricket kala don ha ka Olympic kata tang shisin ha ka Olympic ka balong house nam khat khandai spa ha Paris France ha ka ba ka Great Britain kala rai ka nam la do dagwa penliem ka France da shispa sanpu pra runs. Chairman ka ICC Greg Barkley ul ai khuble ka International Olympic Committee bari ka LA 28 ya ka jingkershan ba ka jing ai jingshan ya ban yo penrung ya kita Jingïalehkai bat ka ban ai lat ru ya ka ba ya kita Jingïalehkai ban yo pai kai. Ka jingyok jing menjur ka cricket ha ka IOC ka balong ha Mumbai ka long ru ha ka Jokapur ba ka ICC Men's Cricket World Cup ka balong ha India kadang shongshit bha. Ka dekhot jong ka IOC na India ka Nita M Ambani ka laong ba ka jing penrong ya ka cricket ha ka arja arpupra Olympic program kan wanra ka jing kalabat kumba ka long ya ka ri India ka cricket kamdei tangga sports ndai ka long ru kum kan yam.
Play will be running once again.
Yes, it will be a huge stage. Now, our objective over the last 2 years, as we've collaborated closely with the IOC and the international federations, was to align our proposal with the LA 28 vision centered around 4 main themes. Innovation, how can we introduce compelling sports that drive engagement with new athlete communities and the next generation of fans? Co-creation, partnering with the IFs and professional leagues together with their significant platforms to grow the movement in the US and internationally. Relevance, striking that sweet spot of delivering exciting American sports to the world and bringing unique international sports to the United States. And finally, responsibility, being fiscally responsible every step of the way without sacrificing this immense opportunity. Now, based on our ability to use existing venues and sharing opportunities, our package will either be economically neutral or positive to our budget. LA 28 is thrilled to propose this highly engaging, gender-balanced sport program. So let's take you through them. First, baseball. Baseball is commonly known as America's national pastime. And there's a quote in the National Baseball Hall of Fame that says, "We play it as kids, we watch it and listen to it as adults, and we pass down our love for the game through generations." It's the second most popular sport in the US and boasts the second highest youth participation in the country. The game has inspired cultural movements instilled pride, and even helped heal cities in the time of need. But it is certainly not just an American game. The 2023 World Baseball Classic set an attendance record for the tournament with almost 1.5 million spectators throughout the tournament. It showcased double-digit viewership and increases across key markets. I had the opportunity to be at that World Baseball Classic to see Japan overtake the United States in a poetic end to the game, and it was a memory I will never forget, seeing 55,000 sold out in the facility in Miami, really reflecting the world. And in LA, it will be iconic, creating a unique opportunity for the world's greatest players to compete on the biggest stage. Women's softball. It's an Olympic tradition returning home, first introduced in Atlanta in 1996 and included in 5 other games, most recently in Tokyo. It's fitting to bring such an inspirational women's sport back to U.S. soil. Softball's inclusion will continue to contribute to the growth of the women's game. The NCAA, the Women's College World Series viewerships numbers have even rivaled that of professional league playoff games in the country. Softball also opens the door to powerhouse battles. The LA 28 Games will feature the opportunity for perennial powerhouses in continents across the globe to compete on the world stage.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.